Welcome to my channel. If you're a beginner engineer or even have some experience in engineering design, especially in fire protection system design, you're in the right place. Throughout your career, you've probably encountered designing fire protection systems in several projects. You might have prepared the schematics and organized the distribution of sprinklers and pipes, but did you know there's a common mistake that could lead to the complete failure of the system? This mistake is made by about 90% of new engineers, and it's one that could put people's lives at risk and result in significant financial losses if not avoided. Therefore, this video isn't just a technical explanation, but a guide for you as an engineer striving for efficiency in designing fire protection systems, to avoid mistakes that could affect safety and the quality of your work. But what if I told you that the solution is very simple? Yes, in this video, we'll talk about the biggest mistake new engineers make in fire protection system design, and reveal how this mistake impacts the overall system performance. We will also discuss how to avoid this mistake in a precise and easy way, without needing years of experience or complicated studies. We'll explain the fundamentals that will ensure you design a safe and effective system. If you're an engineer looking to develop your skills and elevate the quality of your work, this video is your chance to enhance your efficiency and learn the basics professionally. Today's engineers aren't just those with experience, but those who master the fine details of the job. That's how a skilled engineer's reputation is built. So, if you're ready to discover these common mistakes and learn how to avoid them, watch this video that will change the way you approach fire protection system design. The most common mistake is incorrect sprinkler distribution in fire protection systems. As an engineer, you might think that randomly placing sprinklers will be enough to cover the required areas. But in reality, this can lead to the complete failure of the system when the building needs it the most. The distance between the sprinklers could be either too much or too little, resulting in insufficient coverage or even failure to extinguish the fire. This can put lives at risk and affect the safety of the building. How do we avoid this mistake? First, you must know the basic standards that define the distances between sprinklers in the execution plans. In regular rooms, the distance between sprinklers should not exceed 3.5 meters, according to international standards such as NFPA. In some special areas, such as warehouses or places with flammable materials, the distance should be smaller, for example, 2.5 meters. Don't forget about water pressure. The right pressure plays a significant role in the system's effectiveness. If the water isn't distributed properly, the sprinklers won't work as required. Here, we see a comparison between an incorrect and correct sprinkler system design in a building. As we can see in the first example, the distance between the sprinklers is greater than the allowed distance. In the second example, the error is corrected, and the distances are precisely adjusted. If you're a new engineer, remember that design accuracy is just as important as the speed of implementation. Avoid common mistakes and be careful when distributing sprinklers. Did you find the video useful? Subscribe to the channel for more tips and explanations on fire and HVAC systems, and share it with your fellow engineers. Let us know in the comments about the biggest mistakes you've made during your design process.